What is this? What
What are you doing to me?
It's just snore tape. It's in a little pack. It's supposed to help you sleep better.
Just snore tape? I don't even snore.
Yeah, you do, and I also couldn't sleep, so I got this for you to try.
Oh, okay. So, like, what is it supposed to do?
This stops you from snoring, and it also is supposed to help, if you're lucky, tighten your jawline.
Really?
Helps you sleep better at
I
night.
mean, I guess I do already feel a little bit more rested.
Yeah, you should.
Where'd you get it from?
Straight from the TikTok shop, and I'll link it down below.